If you're looking for the best AI software that was just released, you need to hear about Synexa AI. In this review, I'm diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know. About Synexa, how it can transform your digital marketing, and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know if Synexa AI is worth your time. And trust me, you won't want to miss the last point. Before we jump into the review, let me quickly mention that you can try Synexa AI for free. Just click the link in the description below to get started with zero commitment. Let's get right into it. First off, Synexa AI is built with simplicity in mind. One of the biggest barriers with AI software is the learning curve, but Synexa stands out by offering an intuitive, easy-to-use interface that anyone can pick up, whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner. From the get-go, you can start generating useful results without spending hours figuring out how to use the platform. Secondly, Synexa AI integrates seamlessly with existing tools. It doesn't matter if you're already using platforms like Google Analytics, MailChimp, or any other marketing tools, you'll find that Synexa integrates smoothly. This integration helps you streamline your workflow, saving you time and effort while boosting efficiency. Now here's a game changer. Synexa AI is data-driven and hyper-targeted. The software uses advanced algorithms to analyze your audience and customer behavior. This means it can provide insights and suggestions that are specifically tailored to your market. Whether you're running ads, optimizing content, or automating customer service, Synexa can adapt to your unique business model. Another key feature is its advanced automation capabilities. As digital marketers, we know how much time we can waste on repetitive tasks. Synexa allows you to automate everything from content generation to follow-up emails and even customer queries, helping you free up your time for more high-level strategy. But one of the standout features of Synexa AI is its poor real-time analytics. In the fast-paced digital world, waiting for reports to run can be frustrating. Synexa's ability to deliver real-time feedback means you can make instant adjustments to your campaigns and strategies. You'll know immediately what's working and what's not. Now, if you're someone who values customization, Synexa doesn't disappoint. With its wide range of customizable templates and tools, you can tweak every aspect of the platform to fit your specific needs. It's perfect for those who want to fine-tune their marketing strategies to a precise level. And of course, no software is complete without top-tier customer support. With Synexa AI, you'll have access to their responsive customer support team whenever you need help. Whether it's a technical issue or a question about strategy, they've got you covered. Before I wrap up, I want to highlight how Synexa can accelerate your business growth. By implementing the features I just mentioned, you're not only saving time and resources, but also driving higher engagement, conversions, and ultimately sales. If you're serious about scaling your business, this tool could be exactly what you need. To sum it up, Synexa AI brings together an easy-to-use interface, robust integrations, hyper-targeted insights, automation, real-time analytics, customization, and excellent customer support, all in one package. It's definitely worth considering if you want to level up your digital marketing. As promised, if you want to give Synexa AI a try, click the first link in the description for a free trial. No strings attached. And don't forget, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've included my top recommended AI platforms in the description that you can also try for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.